welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing something really different. I'm going to do a challenge, a drawing challenge, in which the challenge is I'm going to draw the same picture first in 10 minutes, then in 1 minute, and then 10 seconds. Without wasting any more time, let's just get started. So I have taken this bowl in which I have kept chits. So I don't even know what I'm drawing. I have 5 chits in this and I have to choose one of them and draw that. I'm going to shuffle it. I've closed my eyes. I'm not doing any cheating. Let's pick one. Okay, I'm taking this one. I got unicorn. Let's get started with the drawing. So this is what I have prepared. So yeah, I have kept a reference, not from my drawings, a different drawing that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes here. Start the timer. Okay, the timer is up. Now I have to start drawing. So the unicorn. So I won't talk, otherwise I am surely going to waste a lot of my time. Oh my god, I just have like 6 minutes left and I've just done the outline. Oh my gosh. There's an interruption, so I'm pausing the timer. Okay, so I didn't cheat, I didn't draw anything, so I'm just going to resume the timer. So I'm done with the sketch. Okay, so now I can like finally start coloring the sketch. My pencil just broke. One. Okay. So this just rang. Okay. So this is how the drawing is. Actually, I was expecting less from this. So drawing in 1 minute, this exact drawing. Let's set a timer for 1 minute. I think I'll get all my colors ready. I also took a lot of time deciding on the colors that I'm going to take, and many of my colors just broke in the middle. I have my 1 minute timer here and I'm going to attempt to draw it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, I am so scared. Woo! Woo! No. Okay, I'm going to here and then this here and then these flowers. Oh, 1 second. Let's get on the eye here and then let's start it. Okay, go. 1 second. One time. Listen to me. Okay, go. What? So this is the drawing that I did in 1 minute. Now let's get into the most challenging one, that is 10 seconds. So I'm going to set a timer for 10 seconds here. So I'm just going to go directly with my pen. 10 seconds. Set. 3, 2, 1. I wasn't expecting this bad, to be honest. I really want to fix it. This is what I did for my challenge. So yeah guys, I have to end today's video here. I really hope you enjoyed this different kind of video that's a challenge. So if you have any challenge ideas, please put them in the comments and I will be sure to make them. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.